My query is if we have invited a certain Elizabeth Cruz, no, aka Joey De Vibre, Mr. Chair. If we have invited her and she has an excuse letter, may I know what was the excuse, Mr. Chairman?
Consep, please answer the query of Congressman Abante. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Miss Elizabeth Joy Cruz was invited and she sent an excuse letter via email.
Ano po yung kanyang excuse letter? Ano yung dahilan?
One moment, sir. I'll get it from the chair. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Comsec, can you kindly also try to tell us those resource persons who have not attended this committee hearing? Yung may mga excuse letter, okay yun. But those who have not reply to our request to be present on today's hearing.
Thank you, Mr.
Mr. Chair,
Chair.
particularly first, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
particularly I am referring to AKA Joe De Vibre sapagkat matindi yung kanyang mga sinabi dito. Gusto ko talagang makita siya at makausap sapagkat dito minura niya ako at ang sabi niya, panay kabobohan sa quad. Sayang kuryente sa'yo.
Bigyan mo sa kanya.
Ano yung pack you? Yung pack you. Hindi ko alam yung pack.
Huwag mo na sabihin.
Congressman Abante. Dali lang. Katutuloy ko lang buta.
Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Binabasa ko lang po. Binabasa ko lang eh.
Sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung mura niya. Pag tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this, BS, ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry, sasagot ka. Swelduhan ka ng taxpayers, gago. November 3, 2024, si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalalabas na hindi ito ganoon kasama. Tapos sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber's survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the discount. Tinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nilang magmura eh. Hindi na ako bumura muna. Oo. Kaya kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila eh. Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Oo. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan eh.
Please hold your fire, please.
Hindi. I'm
Just on the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman Abante. We can tackle that on the interpellation.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong bagitin tong kanya excuse letter. Nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, gumayad pa na abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully? Minumura tayo, respectfully? To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin.
The lawyer, if this is like...
Oo. Ask the lawyers kung libelous yung ginawa niyo o slander. No, nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi na pinag-uusapan. Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos respectfully, Elizabeth Joey Cruz, na nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood ngayon, humarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo, nagmumura ka nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Humarap ka dito. Dito. Namo.
Chairman.
Wait.
Quiet them. Please observe, refrain from laughing or whatever expression you wanted to, please observe decency and, of course,
Chair, I move that
with
we
all due
strike
respect,
out.
with all due respect, with all due respect with Congressman Abante, I feel your sentiment, no? I feel your sentiment, but we are in the process of finding out the, yung pong implementation of the 10175. And I respect your freedom of expression. But what I'm trying to tell you is to refrain from the fire that you wanted to express, no? But for now, nandun pa lang po tayo sa administrative matter, and we wanted to finish that, and then we will be discussing, or we will be approving the ground rules. Wala pa po yung ground rules, and kaya nga po doon sana yung kay Chairman Abante do papatak yan sa ground rules. Anyway, having said that, siguro we'll proceed to the next item
Mr.
of our
Chair,
agenda is to approve.
So that we can have an
Yeah,
orderly hearing, we must first approve the ground rules. I believe that the COMSEC has already distributed copies of the ground rules
Correct.
to the members present. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I move to approve the ground rules.
Yes, there's a motion to approve the ground rules, and I believe that the members of this committee have already received the yung pong ground rules natin, and you have already read it. So siguro I need a second motion for this. Any second motion?
Second.
This was duly seconded. Any
Seconded.
objection?
Second.
Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Administration.
Hindi mo babasahin naman ang rules. So the next item of our agenda is for all the
Mr. Chair,
yes, Congressman Zamora.
I would like to reiterate my earlier motion to strike out the expletive that was mentioned by my idol, Representative Abante. Earlier. Second motion.
Mr. Chair,
Second the motion.
I object because it was not an expletive. Sinabi ko lang, namo. That can mean anything. That
1
can
minute
mean
suspension.
anything.
Hearing resumed.
If that is the... Huh?
So it was seconded, Mr. Chairman. And the objection with Congressman Abante, it's up to the members if they will vote for it, for the objection with Chairman Abante.
1 minute suspension.
very proud I'm very, very proud of all of us dahil they cannot ignore us anymore. Yesterday, we were validated that these crocs in the House of Representatives are bothered by our pressure. Diba? And when we do this, we do not do this just because trip-trip lang natin. Kayo naman mga kongresista dyan, matagal na kami frustrated sa inyo. Tsaka yung mga feeling ninyo na parang, minumura kami, ganyan-ganyan. Parang, sasabihin namin, sige, pangat naman talaga ng performance ninyo. Dami nyo ebas dyan, ganon. Tsaka ikaw, Benny Abante, yung sinasabi mo na wala kang magagawa pag minumura-mura ka, wala kang ginagawa. Tanga, pwede ka umakyat dito. Meron akong link dyan sa comment section. Pwede ka umakyat dito anytime. Pwede tayo magharap dito. At pag nagharap tayo dito, wala kang parliamentary immunity. Harapan tayo dito tayo magdebate ng mga policies at ng mga pinaggagawa mo sa Quadcom para malaman namin kung ano ba tunay na basehan mo at ano ba nagmo-motivate sa'yo para gawin yung mga ginagawa mo. Do not hide on your privileges. Just House of Representatives. If you want a public debate, let's do it. Huwag kang mag-iiyak at sasabihin mo na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Of course, mayroon kayong kalaban-laban. Pumunta ka sa live ko, meron akong link dyan. Magdala ka na sa katerba mong fans. They can also join the conversation. Walang problema. Kung mag-inarte kayo para kayong victim, tang-ina kayo yung nasa power, kaya ka namumura, Benny Abante. Paawa-awa ka sa mga bagay, hindi ka dapat nagpapaawa between me and you. Ikaw ang walang magawa. Tigil-tigilan mo ako, Benny Abante. Diyos ko. Paliwanag mo muna yung mga luxury items na suot mo araw-araw. Assure us that those are not coming from the public fund. And yes, matapang talaga kami. Lalo na pag pinaglalaban namin ang tama. At hindi ko maintindihan sa inyo dahil pinagmumura kayo, kala nyo aping-api na kayo mga putang ina nyo. Tsaka hindi kita minumura araw-araw, hindi naman kita araw-araw content eh. Minumura kita pagka meron kong ginagawang kamura-mura. Ganun yun. You're a public official. You are under close scrutiny because you are spending taxpayers' money, perang pinagputahan ng bawat Pilipino, pinaghirapan, pinagpawisan, dugo, luha, pawis ang puhunan para pondohan ng gobyernong to. If people are complaining, you are duty bound to answer. Okay? Ganun yan.